do this. I want to be able to run Exercism locally, like run the exercises and the tests and whatnot locally. So basically what I want to do is, all right, to solve an exercise on your local machine, you first need to install and configure the Exercism command line interface using these instructions. Which OS? Mac. You can use Homebrew. Yeah. Yes. Brew update, brew install, Exercism. All right. So let's see. Brew update. Ghost script, lazy git, lib bomb. All right, interesting. Yeah. Come on, man. All right, so clear. Brew install Exercism. Oh, nice. Exercism. All right. Now, I think there's okay. So now that this, have you installed on a computer? Yes. Configure the CLI. All right. So in order to configure the CLI, paste in the following text into your terminal. You can find your token on your settings page. After typing in the command, hit enter. After hitting the enter key, you should see a notification from the CLI that a configuration file has been written. Important, the token above should be treated like a password, blah, blah, blah. All right, so I'm pausing this, and I'll get back when I'm done with the token, okay? And I'm back. I hope you didn't miss me. Anyway, I have configured the Exercism CLI, installation complete, start learning, blah, blah, blah. So, okay, so downloading an exercise, all right? So once installed, you can use the CLI to download the exercise to your local machine using the following command, replacing exercise slug and track slug with the relevant values. So basically, Exercism download, blah, blah, blah. You don't have to remember this command structure, as the exercise page lists the appropriate command for that exercise. And solving the exercise, the goal of each exercise is to create an implementation that passes all the tests. Such an implementation is known as a solution. To help you with that, each exercise contains the following files: README with the instructions, help, information on how to run the tests and how to get help when you're stuck, hints, that's optional, right? Hints to help solve the exercise. Test files, they contain the tests that verify your solution's correctness. Stub files provide a starting point where to help you get started with building your implementation. And depending on the track, there might be other files that the track tooling requires for the tests to run. Submitting your solutions. Once your solution passes all the tests, you can basically submit your solution using the following command. Implementation file paths. This command will upload your solution to the Exercism website and print the solution page's URL. Once again, you don't have to remember this command, as the exercises help.md file will list the correct command. All right. It's possible to submit an incomplete solution, which allows you to see how others have completed the exercise, request help from a mentor. Now, help, troubleshooting, which exercism, and stuff like that. And I think we're ready to try this exercise, right? This is like Wizards and Warriors in the C# track. All right. So I'm pretty much sure I can do this and it should work. Let's see. So I want to download the Wizards and Warriors exercise, right? Oh, interesting. ls cd exercism clear ls. Oh, this is the track. Perfect. ls cd Wizards and Warriors, and basically this is the perfect. So what can I do? How can I open this in code, in Visual Code? Is it Visual Studio? Can I do it from here? No, this is create. Open folder, projects, exercism, C#, Wizards and Warriors. Yes, open this. No, open folder. Oh, yes. You can sign in with your Microsoft account. If you have a Visual Studio subscription, you can get information about it. Come on. Yeah, Markdown. Thank you. What? Yeah, no access to. No kidding. Could not be located. Wait a minute. The .NET Core SDK cannot be located. Error running .NET info. Error command failed. .NET info. Blah blah blah. Why? Does it need a restart? Let's try that. Yeah. And extension activated. Yes, I don't want. I don't manage extension. Disable for now. Start again. Sorry. I guess this is open folder again. Projects, exercism, C#, Wizards and Warriors, open, and maybe it will fail again. Now? Will it? Will it? Will it fail again? I have no idea. Tests. How can I run the tests here? XUnit. Declare types in namespaces. Yeah, whatever. Can I run the tests somehow? Run tests. No tests found in the selected file or project. Run code. Yeah, I don't know what. Oh, script CS. Maybe there is help. Yeah, help. So you can run the tests by opening a command prompt, the exercise, blah, blah, blah. .NET test. Alternative most, yeah, Visual Studio Code, Git, but OmniSharp, how to run unit tests, OmniSharp. Anyway, let's try the .NET thing, .NET tests, test. MSB error, MSB blah blah blah, specify which project or solution file to use because this folder contains more than one project. What the fuck? Why? Okay, so let's say, I don't know, maybe wizards. Okay, so this breaks like that, right? Yeah, fail. Starting, blah blah blah. Okay, at least it runs, right? So let me switch to wrap. And sorry. .NET test wizards and warriors solution. Thank you. Yeah. So basically this is it, right? Okay. And I think, well, I don't really care about this, but let's see. This is the code. Close this one. Close this one. Okay. So this is basically protected character, vulnerable to string, blah blah blah. Okay, so I guess I reached the point where I can run a tests with for an exercise C# on a MacBook, on macOS, sorry. So basically what I need is to wrap up this video, which basically showed you how to set up Exercism to run it locally, and I'll do another video for the exercise itself where I can also show how to submit using Exercism. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.